AC not that cool anymore? Heater not doing so hot? Here are the top 5 signs that your HVAC unit is ready to be replaced. If your unit is more than 15 years old, you're probably getting to the end of its lifespan. So investing in a new unit will probably save you a decent amount on your heating and cooling costs. Ice. If you start to notice it building up around your coils and lines, this could be a sign of trouble. On extra cold days, your system may need a little extra help from its auxiliary heat source. But if your system kicks into auxiliary heat mode more often than you think it should, you may want to have it checked out. When an HVAC technician says your unit needs to be recharged, they're talking about adding more Freon. The blower can start to go bad as your unit nears the end of its lifespan. Regular maintenance is key. And as always, if you have any questions, your EPB Energy Pros are here to help.